So, welcome back again. In this video, we're going to talk about a basic common problem of all martial artists at the beginning time of practice. This problem is called balancing problem. This problem is not just a problem. This is a very irritating problem. So, if you are a beginner student or if you are an intermediate student, this is not matter. This video is for all of you. So, without wasting any time, let's start the video. First, with the right leg. Take your right leg up in this form and grab your knees with both hands and try to take it to your chest as near as possible, and then hold in this position at least 10 seconds, and then come back slowly, and now switch to the other leg. You have to practice all of these exercises in both legs. First, grab your toes with your both hands and take it to as near as possible to your belly. Try to hold it in 10 seconds and then release it slowly. Remember one thing, if you are a beginner, then you have to perform all of these exercises in slow form. Okay? Now, let's keep going. That exercise is little difficult, but you have to perform this because it is very powerful exercise in balancing. So at first, grab your toes and then take it back like this, and you can balance yourself with your opposite hand and then release it slowly. Now, if it is very difficult for you, let me show you the easiest form of this exercise. If you are a beginner, then you can grab a support. This is not matter what is it. You can grab a wall or a door, anything. Make sure you perform these exercises in real form and try to hold it in 10 seconds. Now, if these exercises are easy for you, then try it in that way. So, let's start with your right leg. Remember, raise your knees, then switch your leg, and then take it back. So, what is the speciality of this form? In this exercise, you cannot down your one leg. You have to perform all of these three exercises in one leg in one time. Perform these exercises in both legs. And the second thing is, you have to keep maintain the sequence. These are the three exercises Now, if you cross all of these stages, now you are ready to face this challenge. Let's see what is it. In this form, you cannot use your hands to grab your leg, and then you have to keep doing the exercises in a sequence, just like before. You can keep your hands to balance yourself, but you cannot grab your legs. Perform these exercises in both legs and try to hold it in at least 10 seconds in every step. So these are the 3 exercises I told you before. Remember one thing, you have to hold your position at least 10 seconds or it is not beneficial for you, or you can say it is very useless for you. Now tell me, do you face this problem at the beginning of your martial art journey? If yes, then you can share your experience with me in below. Okay, and I will meet you in the next video. Until then, bye.